Check it out, check it out. Think we'll be a little better.
Yeah.
So just a couple things. Leave that tape on for about an hour, and then you can take it off. You'll be good to drive. Tell her no car wash till tomorrow.
Okay.
All right. And I usually recommend wipers, because those are, pretty damaged once they've been rubbing up on that scratch or cracked glass. It'll, leave little scratches on new glass. So I did have a couple dollars to go pick some up at Walmart. You know what I'm saying?
Damn.
So they should be like $16.50. No, I want y'all to be, right. I don't want y'all to mess up new glass. So let her know she can get some cheap ones, from Walmart or something. So other than that, you all good.
What's the name we got?
It's Max Auto and J Phipps.
Max Auto and J Phipps, man, they got me right, dog. They did this for us, for St. Louis. I appreciate them, because we was definitely messed up over here. I ain't gonna do too much, because today we gave me $20. Get some new windshield wipers.
Gotta have it right, man. No problem, bro.
Thank you, brother.
Yes, sir. Love y'all too, man. Hey, appreciate you. Stay blessed, man.